Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best stuffed turkey breast wrapped in bacon. Guys, this is absolutely delicious and you guys are going to love this one. So to a preheated pan, I added some butter, allow that to melt, and I add my diced bell peppers and onions and my sausage. We're going to give this a good stir, allow this to cook for about 1.5 minutes. Then we're adding our stovetop turkey mix here, guys. You can use half of the pack, but I did use the entire packet here. Give this a good stir, allow this to cook for about an additional minute. Then I go in with some shredded carrots and I'm adding water. The box actually has enough seasoning, so you don't want to over season your meat. So to my washed turkey breast, this is the rest of the herbs that we will be using to season. The stuffing looks absolutely amazing and delicious. So now we are going to pound our turkey breast out just like that. Then to add additional beautiful flavor, I am going to use pesto, guys. The basil pesto, and I'm going to lather this right over the turkey breast. You're going to use about 1 teaspoon for a breast. Just like that, and then we are going to add our dried herbs. And the ingredients and the amount that I use will be in the description box as well. Then we are going in with that amazing stuffing, just like that. Looks awesome. Then we are going to give this a really tight fold, just like that. And we are going to tie this using a thread, or you can use whatever you have at hand, but just make sure to secure the breast because we want the filling to stay in there. All right, looks absolutely amazing. Then we're going to place this on a baking rack over a baking sheet. I did add some water, and that is going to help the breast to stay nice and moist, and some rosemary stem that is going to infuse in the breast and give it a beautiful flavor, guys. Looks amazing. We're going to remove the thread from there. Then we're going to wrap with the bacon. You can secure the ends with some toothpick. All right, so after 35 minutes, then after wrapping the turkey breast, just like that, we're going to place that back in the oven for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like. It was absolutely delicious. It was juicy and so much flavor. All right, so if you guys tried this video, you like it, let me know how yours turned out. Awesome. Do not forget to check the link out for that amazing cranberry sauce. It pairs well with this dish. So thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.